In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an average line in Tableau as a reference line. This is a handy tool for those who want to easily visualize the average of a dataset, which can be particularly useful for identifying trends and patterns over a specified period. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to launch the Tableau application. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download it from the official Tableau website and get it set up. Once you have Tableau open, access your existing worksheet where you want to add this average line. If your data isn't loaded yet, go ahead and click on the Connect panel to import your data source. Next, let's get your worksheet set up. Drag the order date to the column shelf. When you hover over it, right-click and change it to the month format. This step is crucial because viewing data by month often gives a clearer picture of trends over time. Now, drag the sales field and drop it onto the rows shelf. This will create a basic time series line chart with your sales data. With our chart in place, we can move on to adding the average line. Click on the Analysis menu, then choose to create a calculated field. A dialog box will appear where you'll enter Windows Average Sales as the name. In the expression area, type in your query to calculate the average. Once that's done, click OK to save and close the dialog. The next step involves bringing this calculated field into your view. Drag the Windows Average Sales field to the detail area under the marks card. This action essentially prepares your field to be utilized in adding the reference line. Now let's add the reference line itself. Right-click anywhere on the axis of your chart and select Add Reference Line from the context menu that appears. In the dialog box, locate the value drop-down and click on it. From the options listed, select Window Average Sales. This action ensures that Tableau draws a line representing the average computed earlier. Before closing the dialog, make sure to adjust the label setting. Change the computation option to value so that the reference line is labeled with its actual value on your chart, offering a clear, immediate insight. There's another way to achieve this using level of detail, or LOD calculations. Open a new calculated field again. This time, name it LOD Average Sales and input your query. Click OK to save. Drag this new LOD average to the detail area under the marks card as well. Exploring different methods for computed average lines not only strengthens your Tableau skills, but also provides flexibility in how you analyze your data sets. And that's it. You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to create an average line in Tableau, allowing you to enhance your data visualizations with ease and precision. By following these steps, you can ensure your data storytelling is both effective and insightful.